$2,387,834. That's what I've made with the one strategy, one setup, and one mindset. I call it the GMGN strategy. And no, this isn't some fake guru bullshit. I'm 18, dropped out, millionaire. And this is the exact method I use to find 10, 50x, or even 100x meme coins before anybody else. And here's the truth that most people won't tell you with meme coins. You have to be active, not experienced. You need to be active. And GMGN is exactly what I am doing 24/7. Every day I start with Twitter and GMGN before I even brush my teeth. I'm not smarter than you. I'm just always online. You miss one pump, you miss the $100,000 play, but that's exactly why I'm always one step ahead of these other traders, because I'm active 24/7. But getting started so you guys can learn the strategy that's made me millions of dollars so you guys can also do this is with GMGN. So step one, use the link in the description of this video to get 25% off on all of their trading fees. I'm going to link it below. Once you guys are here, you're going to want to load up your crypto wallet on the right hand side. As you guys can see, you're going to hit deposit/withdraw. It's going to give you your own wallet address and you're going to send Solana to your bot. Once you guys do that, you're going to load up a few Solana. You're going to go to this tab right here called monitor. This is the only tab that you're going to need to use. And for most of you, it's actually going to start here. It's going to start you right here. So if you want to make millions of dollars, once you get to this stage, you're going to hit KOL. Now that you've got to this screen, you're going to go to filters on the top right hand side. You're going to put the number to 5 for numbers of coins that bought the coin and the market cap to 100,000, just like this. And then you're going to hit apply. So now every token that has 5 or more coins who buy into the token, it's going to pop up if it has a market cap of over $100,000. This is going to be credentialed because now you're going to be able to see 5, 6, 7, 20 coins, however many is true. And these are going to show you what coins are now hyped up and trending. Out of these coins, you guys can visit their social media just like this. We're going to go scan their Twitter account, see how trending it is, see how popular it can get. And the more popular I think it can get, the more money we invest into it. As you guys can see right now, this account only has 300 followers, but that doesn't really matter. We're going to go scroll through their posts and see how many views they're getting. As you guys can see, they don't even have a single real post of theirs up. So I don't think that could get anywhere. But besides that, here's the real strategy and the real sauce, especially later in this video when I tell you how I made $1 to over 1,000 in the first week of trading. If you scroll down on this left hand tab, you're going to be over here. Some of you might start at 5 minutes, it might start at 24 hours, but you want to select the 1 hour time frame and you don't want any of this bullshit hit. You want to hit the percent right here and you want to make sure it starts off with the green. Now, as you guys can see, it's going to start off with the most calls and the best high volume tokens. As you guys can see, for this token, over 7 calls bought. But back to this tab, as you guys can see, it says 7 calls bought. Whatever number with a person emoji next to it is how many calls have entered the token. Take this coin for example, JJ came out 7 minutes ago, 6 insiders. This is the perfect token. Right now, I don't have this wallet loaded up with money because this isn't my main trading wallet. It's my YouTube wallet. And as you guys can see, imagine we bought it right here, a 220k entry. We'll come back and check this coin in a few minutes. Remember, 220k. We're going to see exactly how much it ends by the end of the stream. Maybe we'll make money or lose. Who knows? But what I would like to do is, they have a TikTok account. This is actually really weird. So we're going to open the link and see if it works. All right, so this is the video. We'll see exactly what it is. So yes, that is a little funny. It could definitely explode. Now what I would do is I would actually go and check which insiders have bought this token. As you guys can see, it says now there's 8 insiders, but clearly some are selling and some are buying. So now we need to see what majority of them are doing. As you guys can see, it seems like there's a lot of bots who are buying this, so it's gonna be really hard to tell. So remember, we bought this at a 220k market cap, and now it's at 240k. So we're already profitable. By the end of this video, we'll relapse on this coin. For now, so we can save it in the memory, we're gonna just go here and paste it. And for those of you who don't believe me or don't know if this is true, just take a look at this. In 7 hours, I made $24,000 from this token. In a few hours, or 38 minutes, I made over 10,000 from this token. In a few more minutes, 11 minutes, I made $8,000 from this token. This is just one of my accounts. Like I said, it's my YouTube account. I don't even use this to trade that much. It's only for YouTube demonstration. So while I'm teaching you guys, I'm also making money at the same time. That's how good I am at this. And look, back to the token that I was just telling you guys about. At a $240,000 mark or $220,000 market, when we bought this, we would already be up 20% on this token. Now 30%, it just keeps going up. Once you guys get the eye for looking at these coins and checking what's trending, what has a lot of volume and what has potential to go viral, That's how you make the most money in these games, especially when you buy in at these low market caps, because coins like these always have $5 million, $10 million. We've seen coins hit billions of dollars in this space before, so it's not impossible to make over $1 million on a token. Not only that, but I have so many insiders that I'm tracking, and I'm going to leave it in the Telegram. So if you want to join my free Telegram, I teach you guys how to buy these coins. I teach you what to buy. I send free plays and free calls. All you have to do is join the link in the description, because that's where I share all that. Because as you guys can see, I have several insiders that allow me to find these tokens early. That's how I'm able to profit so much money. But you also need to remember that none of this is financial advice. This is all for educational purposes, and I'm showing you the strategy that allowed me to win. Just remember, just because I made a lot of money from it, you can also lose if you're not doing it correctly. That's why you need to be persistent. You need to start trading meme coins. If I were you, start buying and selling with $10 to $20 at a time, just to learn the basics. So like you're actually trading with real money, to get a feel and understand for it. All right, back to this. Another good sign that I'm really loving for this coin. You see how the volume is very consistent and actually going up? That's a good sign. Like, even though it's at a small dip, we're still very profitable at this point, and the volume is still very good. It's at over 200,000 in just 1 minute. And for anyone who knows meme coins, that's a lot of volume, especially for a freshly launched token. So I do expect this coin to pass over a $1 million market cap. So let me also explain another thing that you guys can do. It's called JJ, right? We're gonna go to Twitter and let me show you. All you have to do is type the dollar emoji or dollar icon, JJ, which is the ticker. You're gonna go to the top, and now it's gonna show you all of the news about the meme coin. Obviously, these are just bots about it, but if you go to the real people, might be jobless soon. JJ, that means this guy just bought in 1,000 votes. Not only that, but Goku, he's a pretty big meme coiner. So if you take a look, there's a lot of posts about it, which is very good. So now if we go back here, there's still very high volume. Even though it's taking a dip, I would still buy, which is a very good point. And as you guys can see, as I've showed you the filters just a few moments ago, now JJ is actually on this front board, which means even more people are going to see it. And the more trending it gets, the more different bots it shows up on, the more platforms it's going to be on, and the easier it is going to be for people to buy it. And that's good for you, because the more people that see the token and buy the token means it's going to go higher and higher in market cap, allowing you to make thousands of dollars while just literally relaxing and making the money and watching it print out of your computer. The reason I like this method so much is because it's quick, and it tells you insiders who are actually buying these coins live. That's what this top tab is for. As you guys can see, 3 seconds ago someone sold, and it tells you in real time, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Like this guy, he just bought this coin called WW. Let's say we buy this right now at a $75,000 market cap. Let's see what happens in the next 2 minutes. So we're going to open their Twitter page, and as you guys can see, this is the tweet with 3,000 views, and it seems like they're trying to actually do something. This is the guy who lost over $100 million trading crypto. So honestly, right now, it seems like there's a good amount of volume, 300,000 just the first few minutes of it coming out. But let's see if there's insiders selling, because if there is, that's usually not a good sign. So remember, we bought this at a $75,000 market cap. As you guys can see, a few insiders are selling, but it's still very high volume, so I might still buy some more. You know what's getting serious when I'm moving up the seat? I'm actually trading these tokens live, because I have several different phones around me. Like, this is just one of them. I'm recording off another one of them, and this is another phone. We have several phones for this crypto meme coin setup, because people are making thousands. As you guys can see, it just dipped by half. So let's say we put 1 Solana in this token, we just lost some money. Who cares? On to the next, because that's the game. This is why you want to test with $10, $20, $30, because you're going to lose. That's just the truth. But to lose means you're learning the best lessons. And this strategy is one of the best I've been using for over a year now with GMGN. Remember, all my referrals, all my links are going to be in the description of this video. And especially if you have any questions or $10,000, listen up, because if you have any questions, go to my Instagram page, follow me, and DM me. I'll answer them for completely free. And if you have over $10,000, I have a free crypto channel where we help each other. But first, if you want to join, I need proof you actually have the $10,000, and then you are allowed to join for completely free. It's a group chat, we call, and we do everything in there. But that's the end of this video.